When running a restaurant or a retail business, equipment issues can take time and focus away from the most important task, serving customers. That's why Libro POS is proud to bring you Fixit. Fixit is an easy-to-use mobile platform that ensures equipment issues are quickly identified, documented, and resolved, and offers advanced reporting to give you a new level of control and insight into your company's repair and maintenance expense. Here's how Fixit works. When something breaks, you or your manager will simply open the Fixit app, select the equipment category and type, enter a description, and snap a picture of the issue. Your team will receive a notification from Fixit to instantly view the job's details. Each job has its own notes section, enabling your managers to share updates with the team. You can simply follow along or offer instruction without having to be on site. The conversation is automatically time-stamped and organized, and job details, photos, quotes, and invoices are documented for easy reference. Each job is then conveniently filed by restaurant location, so you can easily track the activity, no matter how many stores you have. Fixit also provides vendor management. Enter your preferred vendor list, and your staff will know exactly who you want them to call each time they make a service request. You can even customize those entries by saving your account numbers and other notes to ensure the information they need is right in the palm of their hand. When your preferred vendors are not available, Fixit has a network of qualified and licensed service providers ready to work. You can view their hourly and trip pricing before you hire them, and approve any quotes for work from the app. Then the invoice will be saved with the job details for your accounting needs. Finally, Fixit will send weekly reports of all the activity to highlight the areas where you may have an issue. You can view these and more detailed reports anytime using your online dashboard. Gain more control over your facilities and a better view of what you're spending and how your team performs when things break down. There are no contracts for the service, and getting started is fast and easy. Schedule today, and a Libro POS representative will answer your questions and walk you through the setup personally. For additional questions or help with scheduling, call 888-533-2761 or send a message to sales@libropos.com.